The wide variety of available tattoo needles and needle configurations can be confusing. Understanding the basic concepts of needles will help you determine how and when to use each type. The most common material for tattoo needles is medical grade stainless steel. The grades often used are 316L and 316LVM. The VM stands for vacuum melt, which refers to the method used in purifying the steel. This type of stainless steel is chosen for its resistance to corrosion, durability, and its non-reactive nature, which reduces the risk of allergic reactions. The process begins with selecting the appropriate type of stainless steel. The steel is typically purchased in long, thin rods or wires with the desired diameter. The steel rods are cut into smaller, needle-length pieces. This can be done manually or with a machine. Each needle is then sharpened to a precise point. This can be done through grinding or other sharpening methods. The sharpness and shape of the point will affect how the needle penetrates the skin and deposits ink. Needles are grouped together in various configurations for lining, shading, or color packing. The needles are then soldered together at the nub end, the end that attaches to the needle bar. If the needles are to be textured, this is typically done after the initial sharpening, but before they are grouped. The texturing process creates a slightly rough surface on the needles to hold more ink. After soldering, the needles are cleaned to remove any debris, oils, or residue from the manufacturing process. Non-textured needles are then polished to create a smooth surface. The completed needles are then sterilized using methods such as ethylene oxide, EO, gas, or autoclaving. Tattoo needles work by rapidly puncturing the skin and depositing pigment into the upper part of the dermis, the layer just beneath the epidermis. This process is facilitated by a hand or a tattoo machine, which drives the needles into the skin. When the tattoo machine moves the needles up and down, the needles penetrate the skin. As the needles puncture the skin, they create a small wound or channel. The pigment, which is held either on the needles themselves or in a reservoir above them, is drawn into this channel through capillary action and gravity. Tattoo needles, for this reason, are solid, as opposed to hypodermic syringe needles, which are hollow and inject their product into the skin.